Hey all, I'm super excited to share that we are adding keyboard shortcuts and keyboard accessibility to the Bito's latest release for both VS Code and JetBrains. Uh, Let me show you how it works. There are three things that I wanted to demo in this video. The first one is no matter where you are in your IDE, you can quickly access the Bito panel through Alt Shift O key, and you can start typing your question right away. So I can, for example, type uh, what is memory leak, and I can get the answer without ever touching the mouse. The second, you can navigate across Bito UI using standard tab and shift tab. So for example, my focus right now is on the chat box, and the shift tab will shift the focus to the Q&A container, and once it is on Q&A container, you can use up and down arrow key to move between different questions and answers. And while a specific Q&A is selected, you can use the shortcut specific to that Q&A to run operations such as Control L to regenerate the answer, Control U to edit the prompt, and Control C to copy the content of the Q&A to your clipboard. So for example, if I do Control L here, it will take that selected question and regenerate the answer for that right there. And last but not least, we added shortcuts earlier. Now you can collapse and expand the shortcut bar with Control down and up. Control down will collapse the bar, Control up will expand the bar, and you can move across different shortcut commands through tab and shift tab, and once selected you can hit enter to execute it. If you want to see the complete list of keyboard shortcuts, you can visit our website at docs.bito.co keyboard shortcuts and go through the entire list of shortcuts. We hope that the keyboard shortcuts and keyboard accessibility makes using Bito much easier. If you have any feedback, write to us on Slack channel or send us an email on the support channel. Thank you.